Nice split wood on them. Oh, one good side lumber.
Just set up some 2B12s willy-nilly.
Yeah, just cut them. Okay, we'll get some glue and it'll get dry overnight. Too short on the pot. Again? Probably. Careful.
No. Rice. no, my Watney's.
Once the stairs are there, pushing against the wall. Bang your head on the stairs every time you want to get something. But if you have it right in line, oh my God.
What happened? What? No, no, no.
Nasty.
What are you talking about?
Why would you even think of doing that to your own dad?
What do you mean?
Soup and nuggets.
I can hold it in and then I can get ill.
You could have walked out that door right there.
It was just coming out. It starts coming. Automatic.
Because that one we can't change, but the other one, we got to make it 32 3/4 or 7/8 or 33 1/4. Or... Plus I got to do a little schnotch in it.
Why does it smell like a fucking burned out Watney in here?
What?
Watney. You just hammering on the saw? Hammering on the saw like that? Oh, nice. Just on the top. I was just doing some videography there for a quick sec. Just participating in some, yeah. You may have heard of it.
Pass me the stairs up. Oh, I'll get right on it. I gotta get a coffee in me.
Are you freaking out?
Oh, my throat's dry.
just stand on one of these. If you get up there, and reach down and grab the top step, and then we'll just kind of try to fucking muscle this area up there or something. Fucking good box. Oh shit. What's that, your phone? Yours or mine? Yours, I guess. So right now the stairs are pretty fucking unhappy in here. Good enough for Inwood? Run a couple self-tapners into her, call her a day?
Do what?
Self-tapners.
Self-tapners?
Yeah.
Do what?
Run a couple self-tapners into her, call her good.
That's good.
Yeah. Free floating.
Should put a yellow caution tape
Yeah,
on
put
it
a
or
cone in front of it.
something. Do not use.
Yeah.
Safety second.
Yeah.
Don't walk up there.
Come home, tipwards laying on the floor under the stairs, all dicked.
Hurt.
Yeah, injured. Okay. Not even sure you're going to be able to recognize the place, okay? But anybody want to buy drill press, Inwood Speciapini drill press, $39.95. Just check it out, boys, dudes. You know what I mean? Get a couple TV furs, a couple 11B7s. Gonna make a little railing there. Got our, we just had our kickstands along here. We just transferred them to the Whitward, no big deal. But yeah, this is freaking awesome. Look at all the rooms for activities, boys. Be awesome. Get rid of these shelves. We'll put these shelves in a shipping container or something, and then like all the stuff shipping container or something. So this whole, it's 16 by 12. So obviously the door will be over here. Door will open this way. And then like I got all this stuff here too, right? It's just like insulation, so there's no sense in carrying on. We'll just plywood the rest of the wall, like behind this insulation. We'll just take the plastic off or whatever, just go right over top of it, or I don't know, it's kind of dick, but probably peel the insulation or the plastic off, plywood the hole, and then yeah, we'll start windows from here over to the corner, and then from the corner over to, the end of the wall. So oh shit, I don't even know. Some words along the words, there's a roof coming in here too, so we don't want to get too carried away. I don't think it's that high though, it's way down here, so yeah, I don't know. It's hard to tell. But yeah, pretty sure That is inside the roof structure. Holy shit. Cold air is just a blasted in there. Well, that's cool. We got a cold air return. Hey, we got fresh air intake over here, boys. That bag's in good shape, so that's good. Yeah, no need for the ladder anymore. It's awesome. Friggin' fantastic. It's just like onto it. Let's see if we're even Kimp Olympus. Not too bad. A little bit dicked, but I mean, for inwood, it's your friggin' mint. Decent, boys. Build walls, window here, door, window all the way across the back. Could be the Larry. Excited, boys? We should have done this a long time ago. I don't know. I guess didn't figure there'd be room for stairs and picking up my rooms for my good stuff and that, but yeah, that worked out. I'm really digging the I'm really digging the layout of revamp with the shop, boys. And, hauling all the stuff outside, the shipping containers and that. So everything but, like, you know, tools and, you know, few materials, but mostly tools and projects, whatever we're working on. That's the plan. There's no reason to have the shop so cluttered when I got all this room for activities outside. Anyways, boys, I go.